Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's learn fruit colors with Anansi. Anansi is going to the garden today. Look, Anansi sees a red apple. Red. Red. Next, Anansi finds a yellow banana. Yellow. Yellow. And look, he finds a green pear. In Jamaica, avocado is called pear. Green. Green. Let's say the colors together. Red, yellow, green. Anansi finds a brown tambourine in the backyard. Brown. Brown. Anansi goes to picnic. He holds up a purple styrofoam. Purple. Purple. Anansi adds the fruit to his basket one at a time. Anansi's basket is now filled with fruits. In Jamaica, we have a proverb. One cocoa full basket. This means little by little you can get a lot. Anansi did not rush. Anansi kept trying. Good job, Anansi. Did you like learning colors with Anansi? Good job! Join me again next time.